Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to make a TUI app for YouTube Music so that I can listen to music without going to their site. I think we'll be starting with a simple CLI app for this episode, and then maybe in the next videos we can build upon it until we have a full TUI app. Let's go here and make okay, and then we'll make a main file. Wait before that. We'll use UV and to make a virtual environment, and then source it. Okay, what do we need? I think UV pip install areas music API, and then I think for the first program we'll just use YouTube Music API. So then and make a main file. Okay, then I'll make a new class. So for player, what do we need? Let's say self dot q. Okay, an empty list. Then self dot current index. Self dot song, current song equals none, and then self state paused. Oh wait, I use 0. Zero for paused, 1 for playing, and -1 loading, I guess. Oh no. Okay. So then we'll make a run function. So def run self, and I'll make a while true loop. Just print ytmusicapi and we'll take the inputs of the user. So let's take it. Wait, before that, let's make the functions that we need. So like self. Wait, no. Search. We need a search function. So self and then query. Okay. Need to initialize YouTube Music first, the API. So self.ytm equals to YouTube Music API dot to music. Done. Okay. So then we leave it empty so that we're using No, we don't use an account. Okay. And here, self.ytm search, I guess. Yeah, search. And past query, query filter. Filter for item types, allow the values, songs, videos, albums, artists, playlists. Okay, so we'll use the query and filter by songs to not get videos. So query filter equals to songs. Okay. But I don't know how the response is structured, so I'll just print it. I guess print results just for now to test things out, and then if name equals to main, I'll initialize the app like so, and then app.search, let's say NCS. I don't want to get copyrighted, so okay. Then we source again because it's a new terminal, and Python main. Nice. Okay. Oops. Oh, it's a list. Wait. So we take the first element and check it. Okay. Shit, I forgot to save this. So we run it again. Let's see. Okay. I think it should be better that we make a class for the song. So like this, def init self. Okay, so what do we need? We need a title, an artists. Wait. Artists, okay. And the album. What else? Year. Yeah, year. Views, maybe, I don't know. Wait, video ID, and then duration. Is there a second thing? Yes, okay. Duration and thumbnails. We might need that, so well, leave it until later. Do I have Uberzog? Yes, okay. Do we add it or not? Just leave it, okay. So then just initialize it. So title equals title, artists equals artists, album equals to album, here equals to new self dot video ID equals to video ID, and self dot duration equals to duration. Okay, then we make a static method to load from JSON, so that we only pass this and turns it to a song. Just from JSON. Okay, from JSON, and we take the data. Okay, so title equals to data title. Yes. Okay. Title artists equals to data artists album equals to data albums year should take the seconds and not the formatted one, so that we can use it in displaying the time, I guess, something like that. Anyways, then just return a song object with this data. So title, artist, album, year, video ID, and duration. Nice. Okay, nice. Then we format this. So do I make a one-liner? Let's make a one-liner. So boop. Okay, like this. And song from JSON, and we pass I as the argument, and then for I in this thing. Okay, and this should hopefully return a valid song object. So we return results, and then we test it. So we make, no wait, we print this first element. It should say song objects, so let's try it. There. Oh shit. Artists, gear, albums. Okay, this should work now. It didn't work. Oh, print. Yes. Print. Okay. Song object. Nice. And if we take the title and see. Nice. It works. So now we'll add search function. What else do we need? A plain function. Okay. So def play self. Do we pass the video ID or the song? Song. Okay. Song. And ID equals. Wait. VID. So video ID equals to song dot video ID. Nice. And then the URL we'll be using MPV, I guess. MPV. Nice. So URL equals to, I think it goes something like holy shit, it goes like https://music.youtube.com. Yeah. Then watch, I guess, just like in normal YouTube. V equals to video ID. VID. And we make it an if string. Okay. Then, now that we have our URL, we use subprocess. Okay. Subprocess.run. We are on MPV and the URL. I think MPV has YouTube DL on by default. So wait, all these options. Okay, default is yes, so we don't need to add that flag. Then we just need to import subprocess. So import subprocess. Okay. And this hopefully will play the song. So app.play, and we pass the first results of the search. Okay. This should work, I guess. So let's try it. Okay, it's working. Nice. Holy shit. And we Control C. Okay. It works, but that's UI, so we don't want to. No, we want a way to interact with it. So we'll make a primal version. So just make a run function that loops and gets the input from the user. And then after that we'll look into libraries that lets you make it TOIs. I can't remember if Curses does that. Curses Python. Let's just Okay, screen painting and keyboard handling. Texture. Rapid application development framework for Python, built by textualize.io. Okay, so we might use this. Okay, let's not dive too deep into it. We just need now a working example. Then we'll remake it using textual. So a while true get print ytmusicapi or something like that. I don't know. And then we take the input of the user. So cmd equals to inputs. Just use this and leave it like that. If cmd equals to q, we'll do this in q or quit. Break elif cmd in s or search. We search. Res equals to self dot search. Wait, no. Q equals to. You should take a query from the user. So inputs search a song. Okay. And okay, we just send it. So res as a result. So res equals to search. No, self search q, and then should list let the user select. So let's make a function. So def select list. Okay, and then we list them. So we'll take a for loop. Wait, but okay, we'll make a for loop and iv to take the index and the value, and we'll use enumerate list. So this way we'll get the index and the value. Like all the values in list will get indexed. So print I plus 1 like this. No. Okay, then just pass in the v, which is the song. After that, we ask the user. So choice equals to -1 if choice. Or choice larger than length of list. Oh, not if, while loop. So we loop until we get a valid number. So inputs. Choose a song. Okay, like this, and choice equals to input, and we try int choice equals to int choice. Except, like, if the user gives us something other than a number, it should execute the code here, and we just set the choice to -1. Then we return the list and choice, because choice is the index. So we print all the elements in the list with their index, right? Then we set the choice to -1 and start a while loop. This while loop checks for choice. If choice equals to -1, no, while choice equals to -1 or bigger than the length of the list, then this loop will just run. Okay. Okay. We take the input. We try to make it an integer. If an error raises, if we get an error, we make it equal to -1, and that should rerun the loop, the input loop. And then if we get a choice, we return the choice. Oh wait, it's -1 because we added 1 here. Okay, we add 1 here and we remove it here. So then selection equals to self.select results. So we make the user select from the results. Okay, and here we print the object. So we need to have a string function. Return f. So self.title, no, self.artist 0 name like this, and then self.title. Okay. This should work now. Maybe. Okay, wait, but we don't play the song. Selection is here. So then we self.play selection. Nice. Now this should work. We just need to run the self.run function inside the in it. Nice. If we type Q, we quit. Nice. We just wait. Just for fun, we'll just add print goodbye like this. Nice. And then we try to search now. So S, let's say NCS. Let's try Heroes 9. So it's 11. Nice, it's working. And clicking on Q quits because it's MPV. Okay. But we need MPV to be included in Python. I think there is a package, Python MPV, I guess. So we do pip install Python MPV. Nice. So we import MPV, I think. Wait. Nice. Import MPV and remove the sub process. Okay, let's initialize MPV here. Self dot MPV equals to MPV dot MPV. Nice. And let's try here. Okay. Non-local detected. This is okay. I don't know what that means, so let's see. This isn't Python, wait. This is weird. Okay, wait. I think there is something I can do here. It was like import local, yeah. I do just like it, but I think we can set do local set. Okay, we have set. Okay. What is it? LC, wait, LC numeric. So okay. is really weird. Do we import MPV here? See if it works. So like that, and here. Saw someone do that and it worked, so nice. Wow, okay, so quit. Just a note so that I don't forget it next time. Okay, so next we play using MPV. So self.mpv play, and we play the URL. Yep, we play the URL. Boom, nice. All the heroes tonight. Nice. It works. Nice. But now we can't see what song is playing. So we have a value here called current song. So we'll go here and set it to current song equals to song. Right. And then here we'll make an if statement. If self.current song print self.current song. Wait, no, print. Holy shit. Plain. Okay, like this. I don't want to use f-string, so yeah, okay. John G. It was. Wait, no. Search John G. Nice. So, damn. Oh, it's glass. Yeah. Shit. So, like this, that, and a string. Search for Jan G, and it was the second song that we will play. So, 2. Nice. Quit. Let's change this a bit. So we'll just keep it, and then state equals to plain if self.state equals to 1, else post post if self-state equals to 0, else it's just loading. Yeah, loading and we replace it here, so it'll be like state and then current song. Clear. We should pause the song. Wait. Let's make a pause function under play. So here we make def pause self. I don't think that it needs arguments. Okay. What do we do now? Oh, self.mpv. There's a no. Oh, there's bindings. Wait. Property action. Nice. Can use this for progress. Okay, property. For example, pause will return the current pause status, so we can use it. Okay, so pause equals. Wait, no, toggle playback. Pause equals to. I don't want to use if statement, so we use self.mpv.pause equals to not self.mpv.pause. And I think this should toggle it on and off. And we should set the state. So self.state equals to 0 if self.mpv.pause else 1. So if pause is true, the state is 0, and if it's not, the state is 1. Nice. This I think should work, but we didn't add the input, the command. So elif cmd in space b no wait I think YouTube uses k, so we'll use the same thing here. So k, and then we just self dot toggle playback, and this should work. Search John G, second song, post y. Wait, paused playing. Okay, it's working, but oh, okay, we initialize it at 0, so we need to change it here. I'm playing the song, so self.state equals to 1, and this should make it work. But I don't like how all the results are printed here. So we'll make a clear function. So I'll make it here. Def clear, and just OS system clear, and import OS. Then we use it. Wait, so here self.clear like this, and then yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So quit. Oh, and quitting too. So we self clear and then break to just show goodbye. So clear. Oh, okay, now it's a bit better than it was. Yeah. So search Janji, second song. Nice. And we can pause it. Nice. And the list of results was cleared, and we only see the title and the state of the song, which is a good thing. Okay, next, I think we'll be making the cue. Just something basic. So the cue. How do we do that? Let's try. Oh shit. Docs. Where are docs? Nice documentation. Okay, I've already checked some of this. There was a project like I don't know, SP to YTM, like Spotify to YouTube Music. It just imports your songs from Spotify to YouTube Music. Usage. Get song. Okay. No. Explore. Get mood categories, mood playlists, and charts. Watch. Get watch playlist. Get a watch list of tracks. This watch playlist appears when you press play on track in YouTube Music. Nice. So this is what we will use. Get watch. We take the video ID. This can be none, so limit, radio, shuffle. Okay, we'll just use this and the video ID. We might increase the limit. Just test it with the default values and check. So instead of making the user generate the cue, we'll do like YouTube Music, and then if there is no song in the queue, we generate a new one, I guess, or something like that. So after playing the song, we wait. First, we need to test wait. We do. Oh shit. We do have the. Oh, we do have the results here. So we get a dictionary that has tracks, which is a list of all the tracks. So we can take the video ID, title, thumbnail. No, don't need it. This we might need it when we'll add the user authentication. Well, it's not for now, so yeah. Year. What is this counterpart? Oh no, I don't know what that is. Views. I don't think we need them. So we'll take title. Oh shit, we don't have an artist. No, we have it. So title, artist, album, and year. Okay, so year, album, artist, and title. As for the length, I think we don't need it. I'll just remove it from here and just use MPV. So boom, delete. And delete. And we should make an artist class too. So def init self name ID. Name ID, yeah, nice. Okay, so then self.name equals to name and self.id equals to ID. And then a static method like we did with the song object. So static method def from JSON self and the data. And then we pass in return directly an artist object. So artist, here take data, name, and data ID. Nice. We don't need self, it's a static method, I forgot. So like this. And then we add def string self, so that we can what do we call it? Print the artist object. So we return f, just return the self.name, simple as it is. And we add the album object. I don't know why, but let's just do it. Same structure, so name and ID. So class album. Wait. We'll do yank and then print. So we'll call it album and just change the return value to album. Nice. And we'll go to the song object and change this. So here we just print the artist as we've initialized the string method. And here we'll use a one-liner to convert the JSON to artist object, and the same thing with album. So artist from JSON I for I in, okay, and here we make an album from JSON. Okay, that's great. Nice. So I think we need, wait, title, artist, album. We can just use the same, yeah, we can just use the same builder for the watch list. So we'll go here. Now we'll start with the query logic. So we check for the length. So if self dot current index is larger or equals, or just equals, and just equals to self, no, length of self dot queue. So let's imagine this. We have an empty queue, so the length would be 0. Nice. And current index is initialized at 0. IDX equals 0. So len equals to IDX gen q. Nice. Or we could, no, we could not. Okay, then we res equals to self.ytm, so we get the get watch playlist vid. Okay, and then we make it so watch list equals to song from JSON I for I in results, and then we set the key. Wait, oh wait, we can just do this for I in this, and this should work. Okay, so and we need a command so we can check the queue, and we've already used queue here. W, like watch list or list L, we use L. So elif cmd in L list watch. Wait. You can just use watch list, and it will work for both list and watch list, I think. Wait, let's test it. Watch list. What do we do? Do we just print? No, wait. We do like the search, so we'll add a selection. So selection equals to, oh wait, a one-liner. We can do self play self dot select self dot q. Holy shit. Okay. We quit and rerun this. Search for John G. Get second song. Damn. String, this is one string. Oh shit. It's a dictionary. So tracks here. I don't know why it shows an error. It should not be. So search John G. And then boom. Damn. Key error album. So wait, tracks. For each track there is a video ID, title, length, thumbnail, in library, feedback tokens, pin to list, to listen again after feedback. Shit more. Like status, video type, artists, and album. So why doesn't it work here? From song from Jason tracks. Wait. We'll print this. Or just use, wait. Just use get album and give it an empty JSON. Same thing for this. So like it's a list, so like this, and we go to the album because we give it an empty list. So this won't work. We need to get name unknown and get ID defaults to empty string. Okay. Forgot to close the shit. Close this. Nice. Now it should work, and let's try it. Search John G. Second song. Not nice. I think we should do this for all. So dots. I don't know if it's string or an integer. String, okay. Video ID, it always should be available. I don't know, so holy shit, I forgot it's Bing. It uses, oh shit. Do I need to? It's not, it's, I don't know, just. Alright, title is always available, but we might get some unknown error, so we need to be ready for it. For artists, we don't need them because we return an empty list, so this loop doesn't work at all. So now this surely should work. Then, oh, no. We should use get. So search John G. Second song, and this should work. Finally. Is it playing? Okay, it's working. Next, we check the queue. So we used L or watch list, and watch list contains list and watch, so we can just use watch and it should work. No, then L, choose a song. It's empty. Empty. Okay, so done. Just fix the bug because if the user enters 0, we don't check if it's in range, so we need to turn it into an int and at the same time -1. So if the user enter 0, -1, it's -1. Then the loop finds that the choice is equal to -1, and then it asks the user another time. Yeah, I think. Alright, so I think this is enough. I just need to check. Oh, self.q. Now it should work. S John G, and then we select the second one, the Q gets generated, so then when we choose L, nice, and we can choose like 4, and we jump to the 4th item in the queue. And because the queue, the index is still 4, so we don't need other songs to be available. So using L, we get the same list. I don't know why we get 50. Did we get 50 at first? Oh no, wait, let's choose I don't know, 20. This ain't working. Okay, it's working. So when we list it, it's still 50. Okay, so yeah, I don't know why it generated 50 songs, but at least it's working, which is great. So now that we got it working, we should add a progress thing. And yo, what? Oh shit, I forgot. When initializing MPV, we should add flags. Where is it? We should add flags like this for YouTube DL. It's already on by default, but just in case. And what do we call it? No video, something like that. I forgot. Isn't there documentation? Oh shit, so we import locale here. Let's try it. Wait. Import here. Remove this and import MPV from here. No, doesn't work. Oof. Too bad. Okay, so wait, let's test it again. It works. But how to disable the video. Vid. What? Vid? Alright, let's try it. There doesn't seem to be an error here, so we'll just play something. John G. List the queue. Go to the fourth one. Go to 30th one. Okay, shut. Might get copyrighted, so. Yeah, I guess this should be it for the initial app. Yeah, well, I guess this is it. I might add, I might make a new video to use textual and make a full-on GUI application. No, TUI. So yeah, this is the program. It works well. Yeah. Bad example. Anyways, this was Swirix. See y'all in the next video.